Welcome back, everyone. This is Natalie Gonzalez with That's So Real Estate, and I just wanted to show you guys how you can add multiple contacts to a smart plan at the same time. So say you're going back through old leads and you want to put them on a smart plan just to try to revive some of them, or say you want to put your sphere on a holiday smart plan. So you could do that by going to filters in your contacts. And you can search the tag. Let's say, I'm going to do this one. Apply. Alright, so then you can select all of them by clicking this white box next to name. And if you wanted to do more, you should just expand it to show, like, say 500 contacts and select them all at the same time. So once you select all of the ones that you want, you can select bulk action. You could send a bulk text right from here, or you can add them all to a smart plan. And you can select which smart plan over here. So also, if you had sent out a mailer or something like that, say we sent out a card for Valentine's Day or something. We didn't, but if we did, I would go in and click Add Note. And then you can put that in here, and it'll show up in the timeline section of all of these contacts, so you know what you were doing. But yeah, so there are a lot of options. I would look through the bulk actions and just see kind of everything you can do. And this is very beneficial, as you don't have to go through with each contact and do this. You could also do it with Facebook leads and put them all on a Facebook lead smart plan. Yeah, there are a lot of options. So check it out. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments or direct message me on Facebook. Thanks for watching, guys.